Hello, so in this video I will explain how to use Plugin Manager in FormIt application. So Plugin Manager is below Collaboration Tools, and Plugin Manager is for advanced users, and in here we have install plugins recommended public for developers. So it means you can use API or specific tools to create plugins for this FormIt application, and you can install these plugins or load them and use inside your project. So let's see what kind of plugins we have inside here. So we can create a 3D context creator, we can create objects and buildings around my building, plugin playground, mesh and on-mesh objects. Let's find some interesting plugin. Let's say I want to put some text on my wall. So in this case, 3D text, flip along. Okay, public. I cannot see the text option, so maybe it's in desktop mode. Yeah, so in this case I don't see text. 3D text generator. Okay, let's generate straight lines. And I can select the line. Okay, so it means I need to draw maybe a line from here to here. And let's generate. Yeah. And now I have lights in my project. Also, if I want to place buildings around my project, I can activate context creator. I need to provide my exact location, so in this file I have some location, and I can click generate 3D context. And in here you can see I have some buildings around my project. They were created. And if I go to layers, I can activate terrain layer, and I can see satellite image. Okay, and I can see buildings from the satellite image and some buildings representing these objects. So for advanced users, I recommend to check out these interesting tools.